I pulled on each of these 3 guy wires, 2 down to the front of the camp and 1 out back in the center. And I wasn't pulling these guy wires very tight at all. Tight enough, but it doesn't take much force to keep this from blowing over in any wind. You know, but it doesn't take much force to keep this from blowing over in the prevailing wind. I'll know as we get through one winter and one or two wind events. For those of you that wanted to learn welding or even learn ham radio and pick up either of those as a hobby, I just wanted to say it's never too late to learn something new. As you can see in this example, I'm still learning. This is actually helpful to me. I needed to change the cable out on that antenna anyway, and I was trying to figure out how can I get 20 feet above the roof to change out the coax on that antenna. And I don't have to wonder about that anymore.